Today I am going to show you how to unset the brake service reminder on your BMW F30. First things first, just make sure your ignition is turned on and you should get your lights like this, and you'll probably have a warning that looks something like this. So up here in the speedometer, this button here, we're going to want to press and hold for about 8 seconds and it will unlock a secret menu. Okay, so now you should see this pop up here, and we can actually cycle through all of the options here by just pressing the button once. There's brake fluid, engine oil, just inspection, other things. So these are all good for the next while, as I've just changed the brake pads and the discs on this car. So I actually just want to reset this indicator. To do that, we're just going to press and hold here again. And it's asking me to perform reset. So I'm going to press and hold here again. Great, reset in progress. Just wait here a couple of seconds. Okay, and now we can see that it's reset on the computer. And then finally, if I go back to the main iDrive computer, I see all of the checks here are perfect. And again, just before you finish up, just start the car and make sure that you've no warning lights here. I'm going to release the handbrake and that little brake light should go out. Okay, that's it.